What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here with the High Level Affiliate Content Army. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to use the new user magic links, password reset flow, and the new email templates that go along with it. I'll see you inside today's video. So the first thing I wanted to go over before we jumped inside today's video was all of the old ways that we used to send out passwords for courses, communities, or any different way that you would send a password out to one of your clients or someone that joins your list or group or wanted to get one of your courses, etc., has now all changed. You used to be able to have it where it would send out a automatically generated password, and a lot of people didn't like it, myself included. I like being able to set up my own password, and now the way that they have it set up on HighLevel is you'll be able to go in, and when you first sign up or are given access to a course or community or wherever you need password access, you'll receive an email similar to the one that you see here. So here's the email template that I received from them. It says, welcome, your journey starts here. You've got the intro to the person, first name, the detail on what the course is. They give instructions on how to log in, etc. And then you just click right here on the login button. And this is going to take you to your login screen. As you can see right here, you'll just put in your first password run and then put it in again so that you've got a double confirmation. Hit set password and you're good to go, just like so. And you'll see once you see the passwords are the same, the bottom bar here button will light up to set your password. Once you've set it, you'll see you'll get a successfully added password, and it will take you into the course area where you're able to access the course at that time. So let's say you forgot your password. Now, the one way you're going to be able to do that is to go right here to forgot password. You're then going to put in the email that you're using, or it'll auto-populate for you. You'll hit reset password. And then you'll receive, and then once you've done that, you'll log in and you'll see you'll receive an email similar to this with the sub accounts, logo at the top, reset, and then it'll talk about what the name of the actual area was, and then log in. This does one of the new things that's cool about it too is it does expire after 2 hours. So make sure if you give someone access or people are resetting their password or they're having a problem with them, let them know this doesn't only last for 2 hours. Once you're ready to reset your password, you'll just hit reset password. It will then log you right in. And the next thing I want to do is demonstrate the places that you can actually use the new password link. Now, if you're in your email builder, and to get inside that, you just go to emails, campaigns, or templates. You can use either one. You can go to create new, and then you can create a new email, or you can use any of your existing templates. We'll just use one of these guys that got set up already. Then once you decide that you know where the link is, you'll just go right here, go to your custom values. You're going to see right here, you have membership contacts. You're going to click on that. And then the new way to do it, instead of having password, like it used to have your password for it in here, where you'd actually use customer log, or I think it was customer login and then customer password were the variables before. You're now going to be using the login URL magic link, and it looks just like that. Now, this will pre-populate with a magic link that will allow them to click on it. When they do it, it'll be just like the button that you saw before. Will take them to the password page where they'll be able to make their password. So the other place that you'll be able to find these links when you're using custom values is inside your actual workflow builder. Now, you will have to use one of the trigger links involved in granting access so that the workflow builder knows to use that variable. But once you do, you just come in here, and to be able to do that, you'll just click right here. You'll see you go offer access, and then you just pick one of your products or courses or whatever it is that you're granting access to. Then once you do that, you'll go down, you'll go to email. And then you'll see once you're inside email, now will be available underneath your custom values that wasn't there before will be courses. You'll then go to access, offer access granted. And then you'll see right here is the magic link login URL, just like I showed you before in the email builder. You can also find this within SMSs. So if you wanted to do a text message, you do the same basic steps, come right here, go to course, go to offer access, and then login URL magic link. So they really changed this up. I like it a lot. It looks great. I really like the new access and allowing people to have instant ability to set up their passwords rather than having to go through the problem of not liking it, hit forgot password, setting it up, which, it's not a big deal, but every bit of, a friction that they can remove to make these processes better is better for us as both consumers and as sellers of white label SaaS. So thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Funnel Doc out. Peace.